3.
Hey guys, we're back and we're working on this our little tiny house project, all right? The one that has the 4 drawings. It's got a floor plan, a front elevation, a rear elevation, and a side elevation. And this group here has gotten started on their project. The first thing that they did was they got a bottom plate and a top plate, or it's a floor system, so you wouldn't necessarily call it a plate. This would be the header joist. These would be header joists. So the first 2 things they do is they cut these 96 inches long. After they got this header joist and this header joist, they put them together and laid them out 16 inches on center. Okay? All right, so they pulled their tape measure over here. They marked 15 1/4, 31 1/4, and they put their X's to this side, 47. All the X's went to this side on their project. So the floor joists here are 16 inches on center. That's the first step in your project. After that, you're going to snap a line down through the center. So you're going to measure across here from the outside to the outside should be 48 inches. So that means the length of your floor joist will be 45 inches, because this is 1.5 inches thick and this is 1.5 inches thick. 1.5 plus 1.5 equals 3. So you take 48, the distance from outside to outside, 48 minus 3 to get the length of your floor joist, okay? So after you get this constructed like this, and it actually measures 48 inches across, the next step will be to snap a line down through the center and put your solid bridging in here like we did before. After you get that done, if you move over to these guys' project here, you're going to install your plywood. We're going to use 7/16 oriented strand board. We're going to make sure that our frame is perfectly square by measuring it diagonally. Okay, so we would measure it diagonally across this direction and this direction before we put our plywood on, to make sure those numbers are the same. Okay, once we have our frame square, we'll install our plywood, snap our lines, and nail it on. Once you get to this point, you're ready to start building your walls, and that will be the next video. Okay, guys? All right? Thanks.